Hey, we're at QuantCar in Springfield, Missouri. Today we're giving you some tips on what to look for when checking out a pre-owned vehicle. Let's get started. First up, check for signs of hail damage on the hood and on the roof. Small dents can indicate past hail damage, which could affect the long-term value of your vehicle. Next, look for paint lines in the door jambs, fenders, and deck lid. Sharp paint lines can be a sign of past repairs, which might suggest previous accidents. Make sure and check the tire tread on all 4 tires. Even wear is good, but uneven wear could mean an alignment or suspension issue. Don't forget to check for the location and the existence of a spare tire and the tire tools. You don't want to get stuck without them in an emergency. Listen for any unusual motor noises. Knocking or ticking sounds can indicate engine problems, which could be costly. Check the oil cap and dipstick for milky oil. This could be a sign of a head gasket problem, which is a major repair. Look for fluid leaks under the engine and transmission. Running out of fluid could cause catastrophic engine and transmission failure. Check the frame and underbody for excessive rust. A little rust is normal, but too much can compromise the vehicle's integrity. Finally, turn the key to accessory and make sure all the warning lights come on. If any bulbs are out, it could mean hidden issues within the car's system. There you have it, a few quick tips to help you feel more confident when checking out a pre-owned vehicle. For more tips and great deals, come visit us at QuantCar in Springfield, Missouri. See you soon.